Not every invention is the same. Some are huge hits right away, while others are inventions you probably haven't heard of. Some make it while others don't. But the point is, these inventions are out of this world, from snake robots that help in disasters to supersonic aircrafts. But how incredible are they? What do they do? And how were these inventions designed? Welcome to Future Tech Lab, and today we will have a look at some of the most insane, incredible inventions you probably didn't even know existed. 11. FarmBot Genesis. People who like to garden are likely to be interested in this system. This special robot with open source code lets you plant more than 30 different kinds of plants inside and outside. There are different kinds, and the largest has a working area of 7.8 by 20 feet. All start at $3,495. One of the best things about the system is its easy use. People who like farming have already made apps that look like computer games. It only takes an hour to set up a FarmBot, and changing it for different jobs is easy. For example, the rotary tool attachment is used to eliminate weeds. And by the way, the working angle can be altered by up to 70 degrees, and you can also attach the drill chuck that comes with the tool for drilling. 10. Wearable assistive robots from MIT CSAIL. Here's another strange product. These soft grip systems are made of special threads that have a memory effect. Each finger of the design remembers where it was, and if you blow up the flexible cylinders built into the hand, you can hold a can, press a button, and do other things. This solution is good for more than one thing at the same time. First, the huge library of materials gives you a lot of ways to change how things work. Second, the finished products are cheap, easy to use, and don't need complicated upkeep. Third, the hands can easily be added to things like touch and other sensors. The US engineering team says that making these systems was expensive and took a long time. However, they have a lot of potential, and thanks to advanced machine knitting technology, they've made a huge step forward. 9. The March 7 exoskeleton. In the 1960s, General Electric and the US Army worked together to make something like an exoskeleton. The Hardyman project weighed almost 1,500 pounds and did badly in tests. But exoskeletons are very promising in general, even if it's just because they can help people with musculoskeletal disorders. And as you might guess, this is the 7th version. It was released on March 11th, 2022, and it's protected from water and splashes, so you can use it in bad weather. Moreover, it has a control system with a smartphone and cutting-edge computer vision that lets the system figure out a safe route on its own. 8. Handheld arrow shooter. Since we're talking about games, the Assassin's Creed series is worth mentioning. This game has battles between Templars and Assassins, parkour adventures in different periods, and a wide range of strange weapons to kill enemies and restore historical justice. This craftsman combined a mix of weapons from Assassin's Creed and shooting gloves from World War II. The gun is attached to the hand and attacks using a carbon dioxide cartridge, lasting about 30 shots. And by the way, the dart doesn't have any trouble going through a plastic bottle or into a board. 7. Snake robot. Japan is always brought up when we talk about robots. The goal of this robot is to help find people who have been hurt, for example, after a natural disaster. The project has been in the works for a long time. In 2018, the 36-jointed snake was already able to move through tunnels and pipes. At the moment, the robot can jump, climb a tree, climb inside and outside of a pipe, climb a ladder, and crawl through an area with a lot of debris. Built-in cameras control it, and its snakes can work together like one big hand. 6. Flow Dream Glass. The creators of Dream Glass Flow try to get potential backers interested by showing them your secret gaming room. The public love these AR glasses so much that instead of the $10,000 they were hoping to raise, they've already raised $100,000, and the Indiegogo campaign is still going on. The main reason for having the device is to have fun. The glasses work with PlayStation, Xbox, and PCs. You can also connect them to portable consoles like the Nintendo Switch and the Steam Deck to make it feel like you're playing on a big screen. It only weighs 2 ounces, which is about the same as a Zippo lighter, and you can wear it over your regular glasses. There is support for Wi-Fi 6 and 5G, and movie fans will enjoy the 3D technology. The price starts at $379, and it has 2 speakers built into the temples and a resolution of 3840 by 1080. 5. Vermeer Balehawk. Do you know how much money hay makes? Its exports worldwide are considered to be between 2.5 billion and 3 billion per year. The main buyers are Arab countries, China, and Japan, while the US will lead sales in 2019 with 4.1 million tons. It's no surprise that hay harvesting technology is getting better and better. For instance, this bale mover can work independently and pick up 3 bales. The bale hawk is the model's name, made by the American company Vermeer. The maximum width of a bale is about 5 feet, and the bale mover can find its way around and make a route of its own. Wireless sensors will send information about the condition of the parts. This information will help plan maintenance, and the 2021 version weighed about 6,614 pounds and was diesel-powered. 4. Boeing X-48. The Boeing X-48 is an unfinished American drone based on a flying wing called a blended wing. Engineers think a version with 480 seats for people could use about 32% less fuel than the Airbus A380-700. But there is a problem. The Boeing X-48 is very hard to fly. There are different models like the X-48B, which can fly at 124 miles per hour and has wings that are 21 feet long. In 2016, the company said that it is working with NASA and that it might be able to make a similar subsonic aircraft for military and commercial use in the next 10 years. 3. ATV box blade. With this solution, you can turn an ATV into a machine for farming. It will help you loosen the ground, level a gravel road, get a construction site ready, fight weeds, and turn an ordinary ATV into a universal agricultural soldier. It only takes a few minutes to set up the system. When you've upgraded your ATV, you can still use it the same way, and it won't be a problem. The box blade has a 50-inch working width, a 2-inch maximum ripping depth, and 0.19-inch high-strength steel elements, making it one of the most durable solutions on the market. The price is $759 though, which is a lot of money. 2. Yarbo. The people who made this robot also found a way in to fund us his heart. Even though the project's starting price was $2,800, it has raised more than $2.5 million on Kickstarter. Let's find out what people are willing to pay so much for. The model is built on a tracked platform with modules that can be switched out. Each module does a different job, making the robot very flexible. It can clear a 21-inch wide lane of snow, and it can take in snow that is up to 18 inches high. The robot makes it much easier to take care of the ground and work even when it's minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit outside. And by the way, a controller or an app can control it. Its 38.4 amp hour battery can also be a backup power source. 1. HP SitePrint. HP doesn't just make computers and printers, they also make robots like this one. Here is a robot that can print layouts 10 times faster than a person. HP reminds us that $11.4 trillion are made in the construction industry. There still aren't enough skilled specialists though, so they have to build robots to help. HP SitePrint can fit in a briefcase, is controlled by a tablet, and can use inks for a wide range of surfaces. It prints directly from blueprints and architectural plans, and can do simple lines and various symbols. Ideally, there shouldn't be any obstacles on the floor, but if there are, the robot can go around them and keep printing. The robot has already been tested in 80 projects worldwide, including parking lots, homes, and hospitals. And it's a wrap. Which of these inventions do you rank as most fascinating and why? Comment below, let's engage. Also, if you're interested in more tech videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Goodbye, see you in the next video.